Hello Paddy's Legion, this is Paddy's Water here. Coming with you with my little Anniversary Lloyd mech review. This is one of the biggest builds I have ever done on a mech. The detail is amazing and so are the minifigures. Lloyd, let me know the name of this general, and the OG Master of Ice before saying. The detail is amazing, and this is a size comparison, thankfully, to look at the difference between Sora's mech and Lloyd's mech. Pretty much a huge size in the difference, and the detail is amazing, and you did a great minifigures. I know the 15th Anniversary Lloyd, but you did two delicious rare ones as well. Let me know what you think of this 15th anniversary masterpiece, and may the force be with you always. Bye.